we go. Left foot forward, weights on the right foot. 5, 6, 7, sweep, pivot, step, sweep, pivot, over. And then I'm stepping again, so we can do a second turn. Sweep, pivot, step, sweep, pivot, no step. So now your right foot is forward. You're going to shift your weight to your left leg, and we're going to do the left turn. 5, 6, 7, 8, sweep, pivot, step, sweep, pivot to a second turn, sweep, pivot, step, sweep, no turn. No step, sorry, at the end. Okay, and now move forward because you moved back, which is a natural consequence of how we just did it. We're going to do it again. So we're doing 2 right turns. So we don't step on the final part of the second turn. And then immediately we're going to switch back and do the left turn. So left foot's forward and weights on the right foot. 5, 6, 7, and sweep, step, sweep, step, sweep, step, sweep, no step, sweep back, left, step, and left, step, and last time, and come out. Your left foot should be forward. Let's reproduce what we just did, only let's reproduce it with the weave turnarounds. We'll start with the right turn, since I'm guessing it's your weaker one for this too. So let's start in the overhand weave here. And you're going to turn to underhand weave and step. Yes, and then turn to overhand weave and step again. Yes, and then we'll do it again. So turn, step, turn. Now we'll switch the feet and we'll do the left turn. So the right foot's forward and we'll turn, step, turn. And then step so your right foot's forward. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn left, step, and turn. And then we'll put your right foot forward again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left 360. Boom. Step, turn. Don't step again, so your left foot's forward now. Now we'll do the right turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn, step, turn. And your right foot is forward. Now just move yourself up a little bit. And here we go. We're going to alternate them. So right foot's forward, which means we do a left turn because we always pivot in the direction of the back foot. 5, 6, 7, and turn, step, turn, no step, right turn, step, no step, turn left, step, turn, no step, turn right, step, no turn, and then walk forward. Holy shit. Okay, right foot's forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left turn, step, turn, right turn, step, turn, left turn, step, turn, right turn, step, no turn, walk forward. 5, 6, 7, right foot forward, and turn, step, no turn, right turn, step, no turn, left turn, step, no turn, right turn, step. I keep saying no turn, I mean no step, I'm sorry.